Hello everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas. Just have a look at these images and think that how I have created them. Then I will tell you how to create them. So imagine that this is you sitting on the social media of yours. In my case, this is me, and in the background, this is my YouTube channel's name, and as you can see the details. So the question is how to create this type of images for free. So the simplest solution is to open the Bing browser and then search for bing.com/create, create, and then press enter on the keyboard. So from here you can see that it is taking you to the image creator. From here you can create any type of images just by simply typing your prompt. In my case, the prompt is here. So as you can see, the prompt is create a 3D illustration of an animated character of a handsome boy sitting casually on top of a social media called YouTube. The character must wear modern clothes. The background of the big character is mock-up of his YouTube profile page with the profile name of Ghulam Abbas and a profile picture same as character. You can modify the prompt the way you want it. Just simply paste the prompt here and then click on create. Wait a moment and then it's going to create the image for you. So just click on the image. And now here you can see this is the image that it has created for me. So you can see, just zoom it and then you will notice that there is the YouTube and other details. Still there are some details that are not quite correct, but however it is still good to go. Just check the other picture. Here you can see this is the second picture and now the third and the fourth picture. So as you can see, these are the simple prompt that you can do it yourself. You can download it from here. Or you can just simply right click on the image and save on your system. So aside from that, you can always replace the YouTube with for instance LinkedIn or any other social media profile that you have in mind. Just simply press create, wait a moment, and then it's going to create the 3D illustration of the animated character that you were looking for. Remember that you can also replace the gender. Instead of just simply typing boy, you can enter a girl or a woman or a teacher or any other character that you have in mind. Just make sure that you have to input that here, and the Bing image creator, which is based on DALL-E, is going to create the image for you without any problem. So as you can see, these are the simple solution. So I hope that you have liked this tutorial, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. For now, have a nice day and goodbye.